Good morning, sir. I'm doing great. And what about you?
Yes, I'm good too. Thank you so much for asking. So this is the second time. Okay, we are meeting each other. So is there any special topic today you want to discuss with me? Is there any special topic in your mind, or you
No,
just want to talk normal thing?
have any topic? If you have, so you can continue with that.
Absolutely. Today, actually, I just want to discuss about there are some people and there are some people they are working on like YouTube, and they make different kind of thumbnails, and just because of getting the views, just because of getting subscribers. So what do you think about they should make such kind of content, they should make such kind of the thumbnail and all. What do you think about that, and how can we stop them?
So, in my opinion, this is not good, and what they are doing, because it's it's relate to ladies, and he is encounters ladies especially. This is not good. By doing this, he is defaming the ladies, and he is destroying his image as well. If he do like this activity, nobody will be interested to talk with him. Even I never think I never think to talk with him, that boy. I also know about that boy, but
I'm
I
not
also
talking about
think
any
that,
special boy. I'm not talking about any special boy, ma'am. I'm just talking about any of boys and any of girls, because it is happening nowadays, and it happens with everyone. It is not happen only with any particular boy. They are not only doing. There are many creators. They make different kind of the bulging thumbnail and all. So I'm just talking about it. Yeah, they do not
okay.
take any kind of permission. They do not take what should they have to do, what should they do not have to do. So they do not care about that, and they just put the thumbnails. They make the thumbnails. So what do you think?
I think he should. They shouldn't do these types of. They shouldn't make these types of thumbnail. It doesn't good
Mhm.
look. It defame anybody personality. So they should stop doing this thing. They can put normal thumbnail on that channel, and because they are running behind the views, that's why they are putting these types of thumbnails. I have seen many YouTubers. They also put these types of thumbnails so that viewers get attracted and they watch their videos.
Mhm.
This is why they are doing these types of activity. When we click on that video, we didn't get that type of stuff. We get something else in that video. But he is showing off, means they want to attract the viewers so that they watch their video and they get more and more views, and they want to become famous very quickly. This is the wrong way. They shouldn't do like this. If you are real and genuine and you are putting good content, quality content on your YouTube, you will be become famous on by own. There's no need
Mm.
to put any thumbnail. Well,
Exactly. I think we should believe. I think we should believe in our work, because if you make attractive thumbnail, if you make the thumbnail, okay, which can give us the attraction. Yeah, so that does not work exactly. That does not work exactly. Yeah, it can work for some period of time, but it does not work for a longer.
yeah, you are right. After some times, everybody stop watching his video. They will
Mhm.
think he is a liar. He is showing off, and what does he show on his thumbnail? It really doesn't like that. So that's why one day he will go down. Yes. And what is your opinion about that types of YouTubers?
Obviously, if they make such kind of thumbnails, they should take the permission and they should ask. I'm just going to make such kind of thing. So can you give me the permission? Should I do that? But I think they are not only responsible who is just making such kind of thumbnails, but I think you are also responsible for that, because you are very curious, and you are very curious to have conversation with that guy and that girl, and maybe and boys and girls. So I think you should tell him, okay, if you are going to just make my thumbnails, and if you are going to upload this video, so don't do anything, okay, like extra thing, okay, so that it can hurt me, it can dismotivate me, because YouTube is a platform, okay, where everyone is available. It's not only you and me, who is working over there. So you do not do any bad work, so that I can lose my prestige, and I can feel dismotivate. Absolutely. And if
Yeah,
they still after saying that, okay, however they are doing that, they are making such kind of thing, that then we should report their channel, and we should raise our voice. And absolutely they can stop stop doing such kind of activity. Because if you allow him, if you allow them to do more and more, okay, then definitely he will never stop doing that. So I think you should talk to them. You should talk to them, because do you know that why I'm just telling them you should talk to them? Because I'm not just targeting the one people, because I'm talking
yeah,
about all the people. Yeah.
yeah. It's
So in
all
this way
about
we can stop. Exactly.
yeah. It's related to all co-learners,
Yeah,
and nobody
because
wants
there is no
their
only a boy. There is no only a boy who makes such kind of thumbnails. There is no only one. There are many creators. If even they write the abuses on their faces, on their different kind of things, they are exactly doing that. So we cannot
okay.
defame to any particular one boy and one girls.
Means nowadays I'm little bit afraid whenever I talk with co-learners. So I have means I have to think on that. Should I talk with him or not? Because of this reason. Earlier I
Absolutely,
was
because
happy to talk with the
obviously.
co-learners. So now I have to think before calling to someone. I'm calling only that persons who with whom I had a conversation, and I think really they are good person. They will not do like these types of activity, and they are not going to defame me and everything. It's matter because we are lady. Everyone, we are human beings. We all
Mhm.
have our
Yeah.
prestige. We don't want to spoil this our prestige. So it shouldn't be there. I
Obviously,
agree
I
with you.
think learning English is not everything. If we are doing a practice with somebody else, but they do not care ourselves, okay, they do not care our our respect, then why we should talk to them? Never.
Yeah,
I think
never.
I think it didn't
Yeah.
mean that, okay, if you are just practicing with that boy and that girls, okay, then they can do anything. They can ruin your
They don't
prestige.
have any right. They don't have any right to
They don't have
do
any right.
things with us
But they
because
think that, okay, it's a internet, okay, we are from other state, you are from other state, so what can you do that, okay? That's why they are doing such kind of work, because
no
they think that, okay, I am living very far from there, okay, they can't do anything, they can't take any action against me.
viewers are from all over the India.
Mhm.
Okay, and
Yeah.
anybody can watch from the YouTubes. It's not whether it's not only for any state. Every state and means maybe in our state where I'm living and there are also lots of YouTubers and they also watch lots of videos means and YouTube also suggest the videos who all are learner they will find the videos and they will get someday maybe they get my video and if thumbnail is if on that video the thumbnail is very